One of the best ways to make passive income online is by owning digital products to sell. And one digital product that I love and that I found to be highly profitable for me is making and selling books on Amazon. Hi guys, welcome to the Build Wealth online channel. Now in this channel, we explore different ways in which we can be able to make money online. And making books on Amazon has proven to be profitable for me, and I have been able to make up to $15 in one day in just one of my books. And I know that there are people who are making 10 times this amount. So this is a really profitable online business that you can be able to do. And I just want to show you how I do it and how you can be able to do it as well. So the first step to creating our books is opening an Amazon KDP account. And KDP means Kindle Direct Publishing. This account is where we will post our books, track our sales, and where customers will be able to find more of our books once we produce them. Okay, so let's get started. Open your browser in your phone, your laptop, or your desktop. You can use anything that you have access to, and in this case I will be using my phone, so you can as well use your phone. And open your search bar and type in Amazon KDP sign up. So what does the Amazon KDP say about their website? They say that you can self-publish ebooks, paperback books. They say that you can self-publish ebooks and paperback books for free, and you can also publish hardcover books with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon. When you publish your book, publishing takes less than 5 minutes, and your book appears on Kindle stores worldwide within 72 hours. You can be able to make more money and earn up to 70% royalties on sales to customers in the US, UK, Canada, Germany, India, and many more countries. And you also get to keep control of your rights and set your own prices. So guys, you can price your books as you wish. No one regulates what price to put on your books. But as we continue learning, I'm gonna show you how to price your books so that your book is not too expensive or too cheap. So let's get started with creating our account. Just scroll up to your phone or browser and click on the sign up button. And first, they tell us to enter our first and last names. And this should be the names that are in your ID, guys. Please do not enter your AKAs or your pen names here. And pen names are names that authors use to publish their books. And as we go on learning, we will learn how we can publish our books under pen names if maybe you don't want to publish under your real names. Okay, so enter your real names, enter your first and your last name, enter your email address, and this email address should be an email address where Amazon will be able to contact you from. Okay, and once you're done with your email address, enter your password, and enter a strong password that no one else will know. Okay, and once you have entered your password, click on create your KDP account. And guys, it really is that simple. It really is self-explanatory to do this. And once you're done with creating your account, they will take you to a page where you will enter your tax information, your banking details. I'm not able to do this because I already have an account, and Amazon is really strict. I cannot try to do this again, otherwise my account will get banned. You can only have one Amazon KDP account. So once you're done with that, guys, that's it. You will be authorized to sell on Amazon once they approve you. And I'm gonna teach you in my next video now how to create these books and how to upload them. And please do not be afraid or think that how can I create these books when I'm not an author. I'm gonna teach you how to create what we call low content books. And low content books are books like notebooks, planners, journals, lined books, sketchbooks, graph books, books that the customer will go and fill in themselves. So you don't need to they don't need to have anything on the inside. You can even create blank books. People create blank books, where people can go and draw for artists and things like that. So that is what I'm gonna teach you in my next video. So please stay tuned. Drop in any questions that you might have for me, any comments, and let's get to do this. This is a really good side hustle, and I actually am hoping that I will be able to make this my main source of income in the days to come, because it really is that good. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Please click on the like and subscribe button if you like this video, and subscribe to this channel, because we're going to be learning more ways in which we can make money online. And with the world going digital, there is no better time to make money online than right now. So thank you so much for staying with me up to this point, and I hope to see you soon again next time.